You know what they say.
What do they say?
You know what they say. Let's go for it. Oh, no guys, okay, we're screwed. The door's open, guys, the door, no. Well, guys, you know it. You know it, it had to happen. Again. Yeah, and of course,
tires up in the air.
of course, I've got the white shirt on right now, and the light blue pant or the light blue shirt. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look, I'm sinking into this.
Oh, okay, holy crap.
Yo.
Okay, I mean, I'm surprised at the entire truck.
Guys, this would make a great album cover or something.
Oh, yeah.
With the creek, the private property sign, and I don't. Whoopsie daisies. Yeah, no, I don't think we're on the. I think private property is up here. I don't know. But anyways, we didn't see the sign. Well, nah, dude. Yeah, we're screwed. Hold on, let me turn on flash. There we go. Oh my God, dude!
Only had a diff locker.
I don't think diff lock's doing much good in this. Guys, this is, I can't, dude, this is not one of the best situations I've been in. I literally lost my shoes. My shoes are gone. Dude, watch this. You ready for this? I'm just gonna do it because I don't even give a dang anymore. Watch this. Where, look, okay? What is that? What is that? Yo. Dude, I see a shoe. I see a shoe.
Huh?
I see one shoe.
Okay.
Dude, it's actually stuck in here. Dude, look at this. I can. I'm only using my left hand, but I'm gonna stop recording and try to pull this out. One sec. Yo, guys, I got one shoe. The other one is around here somewhere. Whoa. Okay, so the winch wires decided they just wanted to, you know, give up on us. So like it's like done. So
I mean, all we need is a new end, but like, I guess I'm just gonna use the jumper cable one. So
you're gonna cut it or what?
No, I'm just gonna hook. I'm gonna hook one end of the jumper cables in.
Okay.
Because I don't want to.
Dude, this is so janky. This is like.
It's true. This
Dude,
is the jankiest ever.
No. Okay, listen to me. We were in the dunes. You saw the dunes video. Hopefully, it's in the link in the description below. You hopefully saw the dunes video. We didn't get much of that. But this is. I'm gonna say this is the worst position we've ever been in. Well, this is precarious. I'm not enjoying this. There's a lot better things I could be doing right now. Finding a tree, man.
So we gotta.
Yeah, this is gonna sink, by the way. Like you're gonna go all the way through. Yeah. We're attaching the freaking cable, and hold on. Just if you can just run up to here. It's solid right here, or as solid as it's gonna get, really.
Tree over here. Yeah, look. Giant flashlight over there.
Tree. Yeah. I don't know about this though.
We might not have it. Okay, if we don't have enough cable, then I've got a rope.
See, this is why you don't go on a road closed, you know? That's.
Yeah, you're right about that.
I don't know about this angle, how this is gonna work. Hooking up the winch lines right now. You know what? If you search far and wide, I don't think you're gonna find another video on YouTube that's like this. Honestly, this is just like the strangest video ever recorded and uploaded. Dude. Man. Oh man, we got out of some pretty nasty situations, but like this is ridiculous. This is on another level. So the winch wasn't giving power, so we had to do something. I don't know. I ain't the expert. We did this. We've got an exposed section of wire. Then we stick it on here, which is actually the vehicle's place for connecting wires. Like if you're gonna do like a jumper cable or something. So I just make a part in the wire like that. Stick it on there, then screw this one back on. Yeah, that is tight on there. And I didn't even need any electrical tape. Okay. I'm actually really angry about my shoe. I don't know, I just can't stop thinking about that because those shoes are like important because that's the only pair like that I have. I have the winch remote activator. Are you guys ready? This isn't gonna work. Are we getting anything? Are we getting any power though? Is it slack still? Love getting monoxide poisoning. Yo, check out there though. Are we cutting into the metal on the side?
Of the winch?
Yeah.
A little bit.
We're moving a little bit. But I don't think we're like going anywhere, you know. Yeah, just let it out and then just like let it slack and then just pull for like 10 seconds. So we're doing a really janky setup that's like super dangerous, but it's all or nothing, man. All or nothing in this industry. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. I don't even know what we're doing, man. I just got here. I want to go home, take a nice long shower, wash all this stupid dirt and mud off, and then just go get in bed and sleep for 14 hours. Have a cup of tea when I wake up. Tea? You would. This janky idea, it's like rope and then winch. Rope on a tow, on like the actual hitch, and then winch. That basically it's gonna allow us to have it sort of like at a joint, because it's the place we're connected to is like really bad, and it's just not really pulling a winch at all. Don't try this. Don't ever do this. It's super stupid and dangerous. So I don't want to see you guys in comments saying like, why would you do that, you stupid idiot? You deserved everything that happened. No, I'm saying it's stupid. Just don't do it. Like, this is like last ditch effort right here. Yeah, here, I'm gonna gas a little bit. Terminals are looking good. Okay, stop. Okay, winch snapped back there. So, doubling up some rope maybe, but we were moving a little bit. Come on. Rear wheels aren't spinning at all.
I think we might need to consider the possibility of that Dad needs to tow us out.
Young bruh. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're screwed. We're screwed. So I'll freaking talk to you in a sec, man. I don't know how to feel right now, dude. So basically, yeah, we are screwed. I don't know what we're gonna do, but catch you in the morning. So we're walking like 17 miles. It's like 7 a.m. It's freezing cold. I'm wearing one shoe because my other one got sent to the back rooms. Yeah, we basically just walk into cell service. So this is ridiculous, dude. Honestly, in any situation, this is not one that I expected to find myself in. But yeah, we'll keep you updated along the way. So you know, guys, we got service. We've just been hiking for a while. There's no point in documenting it because it was pretty dang boring. It's just walking, and our mom obviously called the cops, so there's that. Yeah. Random dude just rolled up, so we'll see how this goes in a tundra.
Oh, it's a cop.
Oh,
it's the search and rescue people.
Bruh. It's like a cop. So it's like a search.
You guys are pretty stuck.
Yep.
Are you going to be able to lock your pickup up and then I can give you a ride back out to your dad?
Well, we're in the sheriff's truck right now, documenting this for YouTube. So, yep.
This thing rides nice though.
Yeah. How did you manage to do this, man?
It's a nice look for you.
Thanks.
You couldn't find your shoe.
No, it's actually gone. It's like in the back rooms. Where's that?
Lost my boot over there.
You say it's in the in the back room?
Yeah, back rooms. It's a thing. What's it connected to?
Log.
The log.
Oh, he's only playing the.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because the log is.
The winch can't pull the truck.
Well, why is he pulling the log though?
Because the log is the problem right now with the truck.
Oh.
On it first just to see what she's going to do. Gotcha. Because we may not be pulling it. Okay.
There we go. Now how do you get back?
Okay. All right, so what we'll do is he'll get in and he'll start backing up slowly, just start pulling on you. Once you feel it start to break loose, give it a little bit of gas. Don't romp on it because you're just going to dig holes and go deep. Okay? All right.
You put your hood down and stuff?
Oh, he's got the cables going to the engine there. Yeah. Are you in 4 low? Yeah. Okay. Hey! Hey! Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop! Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Woo. There we go, hold it.
Dang. Yo.
started coming out.
Oh yeah.
You could almost hear it going.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like rolls.
Yeah, that,
So the Silverado is out, as you saw. Now they're pulling a log out of the way, and I would be helping them, but I'm not because I just got my brand new shoes on, and I'll just sink and get a nasty again. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, this thing's nasty, dude. Look at that. I just watched this thing too. Dude, I didn't record in time, but yeah. He just went for it through the mud pit. Now we're doing the same thing. So I'm gonna get an outside shot. Oh, stop, yo. Yo, wait, yo. I have to hold up. I've got to ride with you because I can't walk across there. Yo, are you even supposed to go yet though? Because like, aren't you just gonna be stuck behind that? What?
There.
Oh, you got that. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah. Woo! That's fun, dude.
That was awesome. So apparently we forgot to record an outro for this video. This is actually me editing the video. So yet again, we have a video where we got stuck, like, in a very terrible situation. Actually, this time we could very well have died if our phones had died, if the truck's battery was dead and our phones ran out of charge. We could have easily died up there if we hadn't had Google Maps and our phones and stuff. So yeah, it was pretty intense actually. And huge shout out to the search and rescue guy who towed out Dad's truck so his truck could tow out mine. And shout out to our dad and grandpa for coming up to tow out the truck, because if it had not been towed out by them, probably would have had to spend multiple thousands on getting it towed professionally because of where the truck was. Regarding the Backroads series, consider this a season finale, not a series finale. We're obviously going to be doing many, many more Backroads videos, but since I have now traded my truck for my new car, we're gonna have to wait a while until we actually have a truck so we can go off-road. So that's gonna be, we're planning on getting a truck around October, November, around that time. So expect us back with the Backroads series season 2 in November, sometime in November. And I think that's all. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye.